Ready to plan the adventure of a lifetime? Welcome to the ultimate 7-day Malaysia itinerary. We're covering everything from the ultra-modern skyline of Kuala Lumpur to the heritage-soaked streets of Penang, and finally, the turquoise waters of Langkawi. Pack your bags because we're about to dive into a week of culture, world-class street food, and tropical bliss. Your journey begins in the bustling capital, Kuala Lumpur, or KL as the locals call it. After landing and dropping your bags at a spot like the Mandarin Oriental or the boutique Villa Samadhi, head straight to the Perdana Botanical Gardens. It's 226 acres of lush greenery right in the city center. Make sure to check out the bamboo playhouse. The architecture is incredible. After a morning stroll, walk over to the National Museum of Malaysia to get a quick crash course on how this melting pot of Malay, Chinese, and Indian cultures came to be. For lunch, head into Chinatown and find Ali Mutu and Ahok. It's a classic kopitiam where you have to try the nasi lemak, the national dish of Malaysia. It's fragrant coconut rice served with spicy sambal, crunchy anchovies, and peanuts. As the sun begins to set, make your way to the Petronas Twin Towers. They are the tallest twin towers in the world and truly a sight to behold when they light up at night. For the best view in the house, grab a cocktail at the Heli Lounge Bar. It's an active helipad by day and a bar by night with 360-degree views of the skyline. On day 2, we're heading just outside the city to the iconic Batu Caves. You've definitely seen the massive gold statue of Lord Murugan and those 272 rainbow-colored steps on Instagram. Pro tip, get there by 8 a.m. to beat the heat and the crowds. Watch out for the monkeys. They're cute, but they will steal your snacks. Back in the city, spend your afternoon exploring the Thian Hao Temple, one of the oldest and largest Buddhist temples in Southeast Asia. The intricate carvings and red lanterns are stunning. When dinner rolls around, there is only one place to be: Jalan Alor. This is the ultimate street food mecca. Look for the stalls with the longest queues and order some satay, succulent grilled meat skewers with peanut sauce, and char kway teow, which are smoky, stir-fried flat rice noodles. The energy here is electric. On day 3, we're escaping the city heat and heading north to the Cameron Highlands. It's about a 3-hour drive, and the temperature drops significantly, so bring a light jacket. This region is famous for its tea plantations, and the view of the rolling green hills is pure magic. Visit the BOH Center to see how the tea is processed and enjoy a hot cup of Cameronian gold overlooking the estate. Stay the night at the Cameron Highlands Resort, a beautiful colonial-style hotel that makes you feel like you've stepped back in time. It's the perfect place to relax before we head to our next big destination. Before we move on to the food capital of the world, make sure to check the description below for everything you'll need for the perfect trip. I've included links to all the resorts mentioned in this video and a free travel planner that maps everything out for you. Seriously, grab that free planner. It'll save you hours of research. On Dram the Highlands, it's a scenic drive down to the island of Penang, specifically the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Georgetown. This city is a living museum. Check into a heritage stay like the Blue Mansion, Chiang Fat Tse. You might recognize it from the movie Crazy Rich Asians. Spend your afternoon wandering through the narrow alleys to find the famous street art. From the little children on a bicycle mural to the wrought iron caricatures, there's a story on every corner. For a late afternoon snack, grab a bowl of sendal, shaved ice with green rice flour jelly, coconut milk, and palm sugar. It is the ultimate refresher. On day 5, start your second day in Penang at the Kek Lok Sai Temple. It's the largest Buddhist temple in Malaysia, featuring a stunning 7-story pagoda. Afterward, take the funicular train up Penang Hill. At the top, you can walk the canopy trails at the Habitat, a world-class ecotourism site that offers a 360-degree view of the island. For dinner, you're going on a food crawl. You cannot leave Penang without trying asam laksa, a tangy and spicy fish-based noodle soup that was once ranked as one of the world's best foods. Head to the New Lane Hawker Center to sample a bit of everything, from oyster omelets to Hokkien mee. On day 6, it's time to slow things down. Take a short 35-minute flight from Penang to the archipelago of Langkawi. This is a duty-free island known for its white sandy beaches and ancient rainforests. Check into a luxury retreat like the Datai Langkawi, which is nestled right in the heart of a 10-million-year-old jungle. Spend your afternoon at Pantai Tenang, the island's most popular beach. You can go parasailing, jet skiing, or just grab a beanbag at a beach bar and watch one of the most beautiful sunsets you'll ever see. On your final day, we're going big. Head to the Langkawi Sky Cab, one of the steepest cable cars in the world. It takes you to the top of Mount Machinchang, where you can walk across the Sky Bridge, a curved pedestrian bridge suspended 660 meters above sea level. The views of the surrounding 99 islands are breathtaking. If you have time in the afternoon, book a boat tour through the Kilim Geoforest Park. You'll glide through ancient mangrove forests, visit bat caves, and see majestic sea eagles circling above. It's the perfect, serene end to an action-packed week. Malaysia is a country that stays with you long after you leave. Whether it's the smell of the night markets, the kindness of the people, or the sheer beauty of the landscape, 7 days is just enough to make you fall in love and start planning your return. If you enjoyed this itinerary, make sure to like this video and share it with your travel buddy. Subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I release a new video. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.